What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Error. You got me, Solomon, here, and as you can see, I am leaving the hotel here in Bowling Green because Holly Ford Fest is over officially. So now I got a 1,000-mile road trip home in the B100 back to Miami, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Right now we're actually heading over to Holly's headquarters. Going to be going over there to grab a little bit of fun stuff from Blane and check out if they got anything new over there. So if they do, I will show you guys, and if not, after this I'm heading to Nashville to go to a few buddies' shops, and I'm definitely going to bring all of you along. So see you in the next clip. All right, just made it over here to Holly. So, see you in the next clip.
Whoa! Blane here from Holly again, hanging out with Solomon on a Monday.
Yo, yo!
Following the smoggiest dump truck, hauling rock down 6880 here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Going up out in Rich Pond, close to where I'm from. And then we're gonna try to see if we can get a little bit of information on a couple of Fords that I happened to find about a month ago while I was hanging out with a friend. So we'll take you guys along for the ride and see what's what. Later.
So Blane and I came out over here and we found this beautiful 79.
Nice.
I put a aluminum intake and 4-barrel. Might be a snake laying around.
Uh-oh. And this thing is
Man,
cool.
stuff ruins you sitting off there.
79 F-150 custom long bed 4x4. He said he put the Bronco seats in it with the center console. And this thing is awesome.
And it's
Second owner.
what year?
Look at that. Too cool.
The last time
Too cool. So, found one. He said he got another one. Might see it too. So this one, your dad bought brand new?
Yep.
That is cool. And it looks like you guys must have had a lot of fun in this thing.
Oh yeah.
What was it originally? Black?
Yep. Now look at the brand new bed inside.
Huh.
T-word top.
Nice. The camper shell's in good condition too.
Well, it's just vibrations, just rubbed it into.
Yeah. Man. Short bed, 4-wheel drive?
Hmm?
It's a short bed, 4-wheel drive. You don't see those too many. Yeah, you definitely don't see too many of them. Huh, battery still got a little bit of juice in her. Man, that is pretty neat.
This is a 400 stock. Nothing's been changed.
That is so neat. Well, this side's definitely the less rusty side, but
He finally sprayed it off here the other day, car wash. I don't know what the hell he drove through.
well,
well,
still runs and drives and all?
No.
Nice. It's too cool. Awesome. See you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so we just left over there. That dude's name is Larry, and he was actually really nice. Blane said the person who told him about it said he's crazy, but he seemed super nice. What do you think?
Seemed pretty cogent to me.
Yeah. So now Blane knows who he has to keep going over and talking to, and maybe one day he'll own that truck. But right now we're just cruising. How's the beef feel?
Well, it definitely has a lot of slop to it outside of what I normally drive, but it's a fun experience. Maybe I'll find actual third gear here before too long.
Yeah.
Maybe, all the actuation in the clutch is at the top of the travel, so that's a little bit interesting as well. But yeah, fun, man. Classic. Driving a Mexican Ford.
In Kentucky.
In Kentucky, for that matter.
That's reversed. So yeah, we're just having some fun, and I'll see you when we get back over to the headquarters. All right, guys, so heading out from Holly. Wasn't really much to show, so didn't really record anything in there, but had a nice time hanging out with Blane, checking out that truck, everybody else here at Holly, and they're great. Anything you guys need to make sure to head over to the Holly's website. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but I just had the greatest weekend just coming out here hanging out. Now we got 1,000 miles back to Miami, about an hour from Nashville. Got 2 buddies who want to go visit there, John at Sandman Designs, and then I'm gonna see if there's enough time to stop into Pope's Hot Rods. So see you all in the next clip. All right, guys, so Sandman took me over here to 110 Machining so I could see some more badass machining stuff, and now I'm gonna show it to you guys. So we got Greg over here. And who are you?
I'm Greg. I'm the owner of 110. My wife and I started this shop about 1.5 years ago. She's a businesswoman and I'm a machinist, so we kind of make a good team.
There you go. You definitely need both of them.
For sure.
So you guys look like you do some cutting over here.
Yeah. I will say Yancey's probably the best salesman I've ever seen. She could sell anything to anybody. And she just took our caps. We started with just the floating center caps. We were doing roughly, I don't know, 10 or 15 sets a month. Now we're doing 200 sets a month. Wow. She does all the sales. Boss Lady is where it's at. The wheels came with it. We weren't cutting wheels, and we decided we were going to cut wheels. So we try to do 3 sets a day minimum, but those run 2 shifts. So we do three sets during the day, 3 sets during the night. We cut all roofless Fords. My wife owns that. That's solely her and Plan B Rob's, and that's their baby. But they keep us busy. We do industrial work. We do a lot of guitar parts. We do the custom one-off pieces for the automotive world or the truck world. Just anything that we can have fun with, make a little money at.
Hell yeah. That's awesome. I mean, you guys definitely look like you have a lot of stuff going on. I've seen a lot of your, product out in the streets.
That's the exciting part, because a lot of times around here we don't see it because we ship everywhere. She ships overseas, Canada, Hawaii, all the states. It's exciting to go somewhere and you see your product that you made, on a daily, not on just a show truck. I like it on the everyday user. That's what's fun to me. Is it's not just one group. It's older, younger, men, women. It kind of hits a lot of places.
So here you're doing some on looks like what, like a 22?
It's a 2414.
Okay.
2214. So the smaller machines, they'll cut up to a 2614. The bigger machines cut up to the 30 by 16.
Damn.
So this is a 2614. It's going on a dually. It's going to be the super single.
Nice.
Custom guitar parts right now. So you can kind of see. Yeah. They'll end up getting polished and chrome. We run production center caps all the time. So multiple machines normally running center caps. These are all for TIS wheels. Running beadlock rings on this machine today.
My favorite thing I've seen in the whole shop so far is the Ford you got hidden over there.
So that's my buddy's. Jason Graham's a hot rod builder.
I know Jason.
So he's one of my favorites. So that's one of his projects. It's got a supercharged LS in it on a roadster shop chassis. It's going to be a build. It's going to be badass.
That's awesome. I was just hanging out with Jason with his Galaxy or Fairlane.
Okay, so the Galaxy, when you look at the Galaxy, that's to me the coolest car Jason's ever built. What's cool about it is we machined the wheels, we machined the trim, the steering wheel, the valve covers. There was the grill was one piece. That was the biggest piece we've ever made, was the grill. So with that build, it was badass, and it went really smooth. So with Jason, you know, sometimes we get frustrated. It's just part of life and the design, the manufacturing, the time frame. But on that one, everything went cool.
Hell yeah.
That's a cool build.
I loved it. I saw it for the first time this weekend. I was at the Holly Ford Fest.
What you got best to show?
Yeah, it did. There was nothing even there that came anywhere near.
I can imagine. So this is all Yancey's wheels. It's kind of getting harder to get them. So, you know, we're getting low on stock. I think she's got 200 or 300 on order. So they just come and go every day. We try to ship. There's 4 sets going out today. We'll ship 4 sets tomorrow. You know, this is the side we're kind of growing into where we deburr and brush, and we're starting to polish, just random stuff like that.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you showing it to us.
So you guys make sure you check them out, 110 Machining, and if you got a bigger truck and you want some wheels, check out Ruthless. See you later. Gonna fuel up real fast and then gonna probably drive to like Atlanta tonight. So fueling up and then on the road. See you there. All right, now we're all fueled up, gonna hit the road. Everybody, so been driving. I'm in like near Chattanooga, Tennessee. Decided to pull over for the night because I'm kind of tired, and that's where we're gonna end this video. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, consider giving us a thumbs up. If you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel. Got any questions, comments, drop them down below. And just like the last couple of days, I still saying head over to fordera.com, and if you like this shirt right here, we have the pre-order open. It's $25 with free shipping. fordera.com, and I will see you in the next one.